And now what I'm going to do is to prepare my meal and do my laundry, because I will have no uniform tomorrow. And then we're going to edit video and hopefully be able to upload it today. And if you remember last time, here we have this chicken, this whole chicken, and this leftover. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Yeah, those are the birds. We're just going to make it really toasted. In case you don't know, this rice spoon, rice scooper, this is coming from Mr. Mike. Thank you to Mr. Mike. Okay, so just now I am going to have my meal. It is almost 4 o'clock. You know, it is now 4:05. I forgot to press my laundry, the button of the laundry, the power. Yeah, so it just started. It's alright, because tomorrow I will be working at 2 o'clock until 10 o'clock or 10:30. So if it don't get dry today, it will be dry tomorrow. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm editing a video, but I'm feeling sleepy now. It is now 4:20. Now reviewing my editing, and I have my laundry already outside drying. It's already 5:20. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 9:27, and you know, I noticed there is one grasshopper in here. He is being trapped with the, you know, this kind of dirt. Yeah. Oh, he actually can't fly because of those. We're going to catch him. Oh, sorry. And we're going to put him outside to survive. Oh, when I was a kid, we do some grasshopper catching, and very bad because yeah, we are actually putting a tie on it and it's dying. Not good. I realized that the kids here in Australia, they are very gentle with it when it comes to animals, insect. That grasshopper for sure comes in because of my laundry when I pick it up outside. Okay, we're going to eat now. I still have this adobo. Yo, I am now here in the near to my workplace, and yeah, I was able to fix my bike. It was a miracle. So basically at around 1:15, I'm already getting, you know, a little worried because I will be late for work. My duty is at 2 o'clock because the chain got tangled, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to put it back. And then I check in YouTube how to fix it, but it looks difficult. Yeah, but still I tried to fix it by myself, and I already booked a taxi to go to work, but the taxi is not available. There's no available taxi. I was thinking of calling Inigo to, because he's going to work, I will take a leap with his car. But yeah, I said I don't want to disturb. Maybe he's going to use his motorcycle instead of a car. So I don't want him to change his mind. Yeah, so I tried again to fix the chain, and I put it backwards. Leap it backwards, and yeah, it's instantly back to normal, the chain. I don't understand. It was a really miracle. Yeah, so I get up and suddenly fix myself to get to work. I took shower, of course. Yeah, amazing. It's amazing, really. I was smiling happy while on the way to come here, and was a miracle. Thank you very much. It's God-given help. Yeah, thank you. Amazing. The time now is 1:47. Yeah, I like what I've said. From here to my workplace, from my apartment to my workplace is just 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And I will see you tomorrow. My duty today is 2 o'clock until 10:30. Yeah, night shift today. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, you noticed that I'm not wearing those anymore, those shorts. Yeah, I have that for since I arrived here in Australia. I bought that one, and those are now broken. I'm there today, and I'm going to do my laundry later, and organizing the house. A lot of mess at the moment. Yesterday was amazing because of that bike experience. Yeah, I was able to fix it like instantly, like surprise. Amazing. And I was not late at work. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it is very hot today. Inigo and Erickson, they come here and they bring pork steak, and Inigo cook it here, and they cook rice and we eat here. Yeah, nice. That was around 12 o'clock because Inigo need to go to work by 2 o'clock. And if I'm not mistaken, Erickson is not day off today. They are just driving around with their new car. If I mention to you that Erickson and Inigo, both of them, they got a new car. So they are driving around. Yeah. In the morning, I was thinking of going to the Kmart to buy the chair with my bike. But yeah, it's already 4:30 and I'm still here. I actually buy online a camping chair, and it's going to be delivered within 7 days from Amazon.com. Yo, it is now almost 7 o'clock, and it's very hot. And I've seen in some Facebook page of my friends who are living in Sydney, particularly those living in Penrith area, and the temperature in there is 40 degrees centigrade. In Sydney is 36. Oh, here I didn't check what is the temperature here. Oh, in here also is actually more than 30. Let's check in my phone. Here is 29 degrees centigrade, and it's here in this time 7 o'clock, Nelson Bay. We are now out here. Yeah, we're just going to bike around a little bit because I was in the house the whole day Yeah, so I want to see some people, feel some outdoor air, you know, the air, the wind that is dumping to my skin is just nice, not cold. There is no more sun, it's set down already, and the time now is maybe 7 o'clock. Sunset is going to be around 8 o'clock or before 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
It is actually busy in here on this side. If you see, there are many people on the restaurant also in there. And yeah, in the water, in the beach, there are many people also. And in here, there's one good looking car. It's a Jeep. I thought the sun set down already, but still there. Yeah, nice. It's good because it didn't show a while ago, so it's not harsh to my skin because I'm wearing sando, a jersey. This jersey, this is coming from Ronald. If you don't know Ronald, Ronald is my friend living in Brisbane. Yeah, he also have a YouTube channel. He is also doing live blog and gadget review. Nice, look at that. There are so many people there. There are also many birds and a lot of people there are fishing in there. I was thinking if Chef Alessandro is on that side. I don't see something look like. Also on this side there are many people. Look at that. You know, these western people, they are they don't have dress, they don't have t-shirt, and they are only becoming color red. And you notice there are many people, but yeah, no one is wearing mask. Yeah, because here in New South Wales, for straight 21 days there is no new local transmission. Yeah, also in Melbourne, they announced today that like COVID free, like there's no transmission from the 14 days period, something like that. Yeah, it's good here in Australia. We are living normal. And if I'm not mistaken, there are 2 new local cases in Western Australia. Yeah. And I will love you so for always, like the song, chasing all when you get away. And this is how it is here in the marina. There are many people still. There's some family, they are fishing, and still some people along the beach. And the moon is now showing in there.